Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a better way to make bacon. Bacon's delicious, but it sure does make a mess. The traditional way of making bacon is just throwing it in the frying pan and letting the grease splatter all over the stove top. I mean, look at that. Look at what it's doing to my pan. It's a lot of extra work to clean that pan. But there is a better way, a much better way, and a lot cleaner way to make bacon. First, you'll need a cookie sheet and some parchment paper. Make sure to roll the parchment paper under the cookie sheet at first. And then what we're going to do is we're going to lay out our bacon. We can fit a lot more bacon on the cookie sheet than we can in the frying pan. We need to set our oven to 400 degrees. You can set it higher if you want. We're going to put the bacon in the oven for anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. I usually go with about 12. I'm going to pull it out. We're going to flip the bacon over, and we're actually going to put the bacon back in for another 5 to 7 minutes. When the time's up, you've got some really crispy bacon. The best part, the cleanup is really easy. Take your bacon off, pull the parchment paper off, fold it up, drop it right in the trash can. Enjoy the delicious bacon. Remember to subscribe.